Hi guys, and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. I hope you guys are enjoying the hobby in the new year, because there were really cool cars coming out after every week or two. Mini GT is dropping bombs of these cool castings, and this is the latest drop from Mini GT that I've received. I have received 7-8 cars. I have did unboxing for all of these one by one, and now this is like the second last car left to do the unboxing. I'm not sure in which order I'm going to put all these videos, but as I'm doing the unboxing, this is the second last car. And wow, just wow. This is heavy. You can see this is bigger. This is bigger than the normal cars. Let me show you. So the McLaren I have. You see? You see that? This is bigger. This is cool car, man. We have all the details over here. The threaded wheels also. This is your side profile. Look at those wheels. Those deep 6-spoke. This is a really cool thing about Mini GT. They do not just put any wheel or any car. They put something really cool that goes well on the car. Doesn't matter if the wheel belongs to the car or not, but they always put something that looks cool. And look at that. How cool is that? This is so well. It has black and blue color on it. We have Liberty Walk logo here. There is Nismo. This is the tagline of the Liberty Walk, number 5 on it. These are rubber, of course. We have Liberty Walk over here as well. Let's see the back. It does have Liberty Walk on the back here. Number plate. We have details of the exhaust, which is really cool, and I really appreciate Mini GT for doing that. These are plastic inserts, of course. The tail lights are plastic inserts. We do not have anything on the spoiler here. And let's see the front. Oh my god, the radiator is coming out. Really nice. Has LB performance on it. Nissan, Nismo, everything on the front. The headlights look really cool. Of course, plastic inserts. We have Nissan Skyline over here. And this is your top. This is your top view. It says Liberty Walk here, not here. Wow. What do you guys think? Does this roll or not? Should we test it? We should test it. Even you guys know that I'm going to check, because I am like crazy about this stuff and I want these cars to roll. If it doesn't roll, I don't want it. Yeah, rolls well, and this is one of the reasons I buy Mini GT. They roll well. They roll really good. They roll perfect. Look, how cool is that? It rolls perfect. It rolls perfect. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do let me know if you have watched all my videos. Not yet? You should. I'm making very cool videos every week, and even if they are not very cool, still they are good videos. You should watch them. See you in the next one. Bye bye.